Welcome to Insurance Essentials. There are three things you can rest assured will be found in your lease: rent details, terms for maintenance and repairs, and insurance requirements. Your landlord will outline the type of insurance policies required and the coverage limits, naming themselves as the certificate holder. While these policies protect the property owner, additional insurance is necessary to safeguard you as the tenant and the pharmacy owner. Navigating business insurance can feel overwhelming, but the majority of this work should be handled by a qualified and duly licensed insurance agent. When selecting an agent, it is essential to work with someone familiar with the risks and requirements of operating a pharmacy. In my case, I was referred to the company I use today by my homeowner's insurance provider, which is proof that trusted referrals can be a great starting point. To ensure you are working with a reputable independent insurance agent, begin your search with the Division of Corporations in your state and the Department of Financial Services. Verifying their credentials and expertise will help you secure the right coverage and avoid costly mistakes. In this lesson, we will break down the essential policies every independent pharmacy owner needs and how to make informed decisions that protect your business from day one. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of the essential insurance policies required to protect your independent pharmacy. We will start by identifying the key types of insurance coverage you need, then break down the role of insurance providers and the factors to consider when selecting the right policies for your business. We will also go over the costs involved, including premiums, so you can budget accordingly. But keep in mind, insurance requirements are not static. As your business grows and regulations evolve, your coverage needs may change also. Staying protected means staying informed. This lesson will give you a strong foundation, but it is important to work with a knowledgeable insurance agent to ensure you are always meeting industry standards and safeguarding your business. Let's begin with the essential insurance policies you need to protect your independent pharmacy. First, we have builder's risk insurance, which is essential if you are involved in construction or renovation. It protects against damages that could occur during the build out process, such as fire or vandalism. Next, Commercial General Liability Insurance. This covers your business in case of accidents or property damage that could happen on your premises, helping you to protect you from potential lawsuits. Professional insurance is another critical policy specifically designed to protect your business from claims related to professional errors or omissions. If there is a mistake in your pharmacy services, this coverage will help shield you from legal or financial consequences. Lastly, contents and business income insurance is key for protecting your pharmacy's physical assets and income. It covers damage to your property and can also help compensate for lost revenue if your business is temporarily unable to operate. These are the foundational policies every pharmacy owner needs, and we will explore each in detail to ensure you understand the coverage and how to choose the right policies for your needs. Now, let's shift focus to the key decision you will face when selecting an insurance agent. The first key distinction is between captive insurance agents and independent insurance agents. A captive insurance agent works exclusively with one insurance company, such as State Farm, and can only offer policies from that company. This means they may provide a more limited selection of coverage options, but they have specialized knowledge about that specific insurer's policies and services. On the other hand, independent insurance agents work with multiple insurance providers. This gives you the flexibility to compare coverage options and pricing from different companies, ensuring you get the best value and protection for your pharmacy. They can tailor policies to fit your unique needs, and because they are not tied to one provider, they have the ability to shop around on your behalf. As we move forward, we will discuss how to choose the right type of agent based on your needs and the advantages each can bring to your pharmacy's insurance planning. As you decide between a captive or independent insurance agent, there are several key factors you should consider to ensure you are selecting the best fit for your pharmacy. First, consider the product offering. Does the agent provide the right policies to meet the specific needs of your business? It is essential to make sure that their offerings align with the coverage you need to protect your pharmacy effectively. Next, competitive pricing is always a crucial factor. While cost should not be the only consideration, finding policies that fit your budget without compromising on coverage is important for long term financial health. Another factor is personalized care. Does the agent take the time to understand your unique business needs and offer tailored solutions? Or do they provide a more one size fits all approach? Personalized service can make a huge difference in ensuring you are fully protected. Flexible payment options can also be a consideration. Can the insurance company work with you on payment plans or other options to help you manage premiums? This flexibility can be vital for your cash flow, especially when starting out or expanding. Finally, you will want to evaluate their experience. Do they have the expertise in pharmacy insurance? An experienced agent who understands the nuances of your business can provide valuable advice and insight, helping you make well informed decisions. By taking all of these factors into account, you can make a choice that will best protect your pharmacy while supporting your long term goals. Now that we have covered the key considerations when selecting an insurance agent, let's dive into builder's risk insurance, which is crucial if you are planning to construct or renovate your pharmacy. Builder's risk insurance is a specialized property insurance designed to protect buildings and structures during the construction phase. It covers everything from materials and fixtures to equipment used in the project, whether they are on site, in transit, or temporarily stored elsewhere. This type of insurance is essential for contractors, property owners, developers, and project managers who are overseeing construction projects. It typically applies during the construction period and ends when the project is completed or when the property is ready for use. Builder's risk insurance generally covers property damage from events like fire, lighting, explosions, or windstorms, as well as theft, vandalism, and water damage from external sources. Construction materials, whether they are stored on site or in transit to the job site. Temporary structures, such as scaffolding or fences. Equipment breakdown that may occur with machinery or tools during the construction phase, and debris removal costs from a covered event. However, It doesn't cover issues like faulty workmanship, pre existing structures, normal wear and tear, earthquakes, or floods unless added to the policy. It typically also does not cover employee theft. Builder's risk insurance is an important safeguard for anyone involved in a construction project, ensuring that you are financially protected in case unexpected damage or loss occurs. The average cost of builder's risk insurance is between $500 and $1,500. Next up, we have general liability insurance, which is an essential policy for protecting your pharmacy against a wide range of claims. It safeguards you from situations where your business operations could lead to bodily injury, property damage, or personal or advertising injury. This insurance provides protection in several key areas. First, protection against claims for injuries or damages caused by your business operations. Whether a customer trips on your premises or your pharmacy causes property damage, this insurance will cover the associated costs. Second, protection for damages caused by products you sell or services you complete. If a product sold by your pharmacy causes harm or injury, general liability insurance will protect you from the resulting claims. Third, coverage for claims of libel, slander, or misleading advertising. If your business faces accusations of defamation or misleading promotional content, this policy provides the necessary protection. Also, protection against claims for damage to rented premises. If an incident occurs that causes damage to the property you rent, this insurance will cover the cost of repairs. This also covers small medical expenses for injuries that occur on your premises regardless of fault, and it helps with minor medical costs that may arise from accidents, reducing the risk of larger, more costly lawsuits. On average, the annual premium for this coverage ranges between $1,000 and $3,000. The exact cost depends on factors such as the size of your pharmacy, your location, and the level of coverage you need. Additionally, many lease agreements will outline specific insurance requirements, including coverage limits that you will need to meet. It is important to review your lease carefully to ensure that your general liability insurance meets the lease requirements. While the premium cost might seem like an added expense, it is a critical investment to protect your business from unforeseen risks and liabilities. Now, let's dive into professional liability insurance, also known as pharmacy malpractice insurance. This policy is specifically designed to protect professionals against claims of negligence, errors, or omissions in the services they provide. For pharmacies, this coverage is especially important as it protects you from industry specific risks. Whether it's an error in dispensing medication, providing improper advice, or failing to meet patient expectations, professional liability insurance ensures that your pharmacy has the financial security to handle potential lawsuits or claims related to professional services. This type of insurance helps protect your reputation and assets, offering peace of mind as you focus on delivering quality care to your patients. On average, the annual premium for this coverage ranges between $1,000 and $2,000. The exact cost will depend on factors such as your pharmacy size, services, and risk exposure. Now let's discuss contents and business income insurance, which is critical for maintaining your pharmacy operations after unexpected events. This insurance provides financial protection for your business's physical assets, such as inventory, equipment, and furniture, covering them against covered perils like fire, theft, or natural disasters. In addition to protecting your assets, business income insurance helps cover lost income and ongoing expenses such as rent and utilities during a period of interruption. This was especially crucial for business owners during the COVID-19 pandemic when many businesses shut down. Those who had this coverage were protected against the loss of income during the closures, allowing them to stay financially stable during the crisis. On average, the annual premium for contents and business income insurance is under $1,000, making it an affordable yet vital investment to protect your pharmacy's assets and ensure your ability to continue operations even during unexpected disruptions. Before we wrap up, let's review what you have learned in this lesson. First, you now understand the different types of insurance essentials for protecting your pharmacy, including builder's risk insurance, general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and contents and business income insurance. Next, you have learned how these insurance policies provide coverage for everything from property damage and professional errors to income loss during disruptions. You also recognize why these policies matter, not just for managing risks, but for ensuring your financial stability and safeguarding your business assets. We have also covered the costs associated with each type of insurance, including annual premiums and potential requirements outlined in your lease or contract agreements. Finally, you understand that having the right insurance coverage is an ongoing responsibility. Regularly reviewing your policies and adjusting them as needed will help your pharmacy stay protected in an ever changing environment. The next slides will guide you through the module worksheets and call to action items, giving you the tools to take the next steps in securing the right insurance for your pharmacy. Let's take this knowledge and turn it into action.